let's actually deploy it to the internet. So we'll do Firebase deploy. In this case, we'll do only functions. We don't need to deploy we don't need to rebuild the entire app and deploy it again. We're only going to deploy the functions. Cool. So it's building that up, and it's going to push it up to a server. In this case, this is like we saw before, it was HTTPS on request. So it's whenever somebody makes a request to this endpoint that we'll get a second, and it'll be something like whatever the region is, --the project, --cloudfunctions.net / in this case, hello world. But like mostly by whatever you called exports dot at the very end there. All right, so that is uploading. Let's go ahead and, let's see. So you can see by default, it's Node 6. Node 6 is old. And more importantly than the fact that it's old is the fact that it doesn't support stuff like the async await syntax that we were using before or the spread operator. There is a way to change it to use Node 8 instead, which might be really useful. And that's just basically going into the engines in the package.json and doing that as well. So we'll try that out in a second. We'll actually make that change while we're waiting for it. Trying to remember the syntax off the top of my head. I think that'll do the trick. All right, so this is going up. You can see it's called a hello world function. It's going to US Central 1. One of the things to point out is we'll see for the HTTPS ones how we can actually test them locally. But I'm not going to lie to you. The feedback loop for testing Cloud Functions isn't amazing, right? A lot of times it is deploy, see if it worked. It didn't. Deploy. Right. There is a shell, but honestly, there's a lot of really great work kind of happening, but it's still not perfect. So let's actually grab this hello world one. I can't click on it directly because of that line break. And I will bring it over into Chrome. Nope. And you can see there's that response. There's that hello from Firebase, right? And that was served from a backend API.